We have a follow-up now on a story we first brought to you earlier this week. The director of UNL's counterterrorism team said she was alarmed with the growing number of threatening social media posts made toward federal agents and their families.
Yeah, this morning we're hearing from an expert right here in Lincoln who explains how they handle threats made in our specific area.
I pray that we never have one of those incidents. That's why we do this.
Dr. Mario Scalora is preaching reassurance to the Lincoln community. The director of UNL's Public Policy Center has seen the increase in angry threats nationwide made toward political leaders and law enforcement. But he says our community is in good hands, and our behavior assessment teams, which analyze these threats, are ready.
We've all looked at what happened in recent events like Uvalde and realized we can't take this for granted. We have to be ready and prepared and not let it happen here.
And that includes teams in several places around our county. Scalora admits there is a rise in violent rhetoric happening now, especially against local public and government officials.
Probably more common than people would want to hear, to be honest, because a lot of these things are managed in the background.
Scalora is talking about de-escalation, a way to get people help if they are spewing violence on social media, instead of responding to it with violence, because many times those people aren't extremists.
Just because someone utters something that's concerning doesn't mean it's going to be red alert time. We manage it, we assess it, we take care of it.
Scalora also praises the work done by area teams from the university to local hospitals. He says Lincoln Public Schools especially has worked hard to manage these threats, which have only increased since the start of the pandemic.
Nobody is getting hurt. And if there's challenges with students, they're finding ways to keep them in school.
And that kind of success is a theme with several other teams across our area. And it's why Scalora, who consults with several different groups, feels confident you and your loved ones will stay safe as these threats swirl around you.
Because we have a lot of good people, I don't lose sleep at night. We have a lot of people bought in and a lot of people working together very hard on this.